All right, Ashley and Austin, good morning. This is what you're going to be working on second hour for this week, Monday through Thursday. I want you to start on Monday with this warm up page right here. Um, and I would like you to, oops, I went a little too fast. I would like you to list at least 5 in each side of the boxes here. So 5 things that you know how to cook, 5 things that you would like to learn how to cook. And then this document that will be attached in Google Classroom is going to be the entire document, 27 pages. So I will write each day what topics you're going to do for that day. So for Monday, you're going to start with the warm up. You're going to list 5 in each of those, and then you're going to move down. We're going to skip over this page, but this is the topic that we're talking about is meals, budget, recipe, groceries, breakfast, lunch, dinner, healthy snack, ingredients, and cleanup. That's all the things we're going to talk about in this topic that we're going to do this week, and this will also take up some of next week. We're going to start with budget. So you're going to do the warm up, and then you on Monday, and you're also going to do the budget. So you're going to read this paragraph, and then you're going to answer part A, B, go down to the next page, C, and D. So that's what you're going to do for each day that I assign you a topic. The next topic will be recipe. You'll do that on Tuesday, and you'll do A through D again. But I will list each assignment on the day that you have to do it. I just wanted to show you what this document looked like, that it is a lot of pages, but you only have to pay attention to certain pages for each day. And I will tell you those pages by the topic. So, and it will always say the topic right here at the very top of the page where it says budget there, budget here. When you move on to a page and the topic has changed, that means you don't need to go any further. You just stop. So this is what we're going to be doing this week. So this whole document will be in the Google Classroom, and then you just follow the directions that I give you. Now, the only way for you to answer these questions is that you're going to have to write them down on a piece of paper because you cannot answer them on the document that I'm sending you. Piece of paper or answer them on your Google Docs and then upload that into the Google Classroom. That would probably be the easiest way to go. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later.